Look how pretty. Well, I'm not gonna share mine, so I'm just gonna eat it this way. So cool. Mmm. Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants, no dairy, the next level cooking show. Carnivore recipes with meat, fish, seafood, eggs, gelatin, flavored seltzer, water, and salt. From super easy to complicated, from quickly done to many hours in the kitchen. I always say everybody's body and brain are different, and you gotta figure out what works best for you. The carnivore lifestyle has tremendous benefits, healing effects, and is the best elimination diet. There are many different ways how to do carnivore. I found a way that momentarily works the best for me. In this cooking show, I'll show you it doesn't have to be boring and can be very creative, delicious, and fun. I already created so many carnivore recipes on Instagram at karnivorgirl, and I have this never-ending list on my phone with tons of ideas. My brain is a gift and a curse. Have fun with this episode! Welcome to my creative carnivore kitchen. Actually, that's not my kitchen, so this is a special. I'm taking care of Norman for a while. So, and I have a barbecue here. So unfortunately, only electric, only gas barbecue. I really don't like that. I prefer so much charcoal wood, but hey, still, it's a barbecue, I'm gonna use it, and I know a way how to make it still tasty. So today, yeah, that's Norman drinking. So today, I wanna make a meaty egg roll. Ooh, yeah. So here, I already prepared egg dough, an egg dough sheet, yeah. So here is the recipe for egg dough. I prepared that already at home, and I just rolled it up like this and brought it over, put it in the fridge. So it's a bit cold, let's hope. Oh no, it's breaking here. Maybe I should let it warm up a bit. Yeah, you have to make sure your egg dough doesn't dry out. You see, this is all dried out, so it gets totally brittle. So I should have put it in a Tupperware. Yeah, I actually wanted to, but then I forgot. Maybe I can still, because I need to roll it again, so maybe I can still use it like that. Actually, it's kind of cool. I like it when it's dried out, but I should have put it in a Tupperware. So my filling will be super easy today, just ground meat. Ooh, what do I have here? Yes, this doesn't look that pretty anymore. This is the actual color, but I defrosted it, I froze it, and it just turns color so fast. Actually, I defrosted everything except for the ground beef, 73%. But that one, the ground bison, just changed color very fast, but it's still good, don't worry. I don't like showing that in a video, but well. So, as I mentioned, ground beef, 73%, ground bison, ground veal, ground lamb, fatty ground lamb, and ground elk with a little bit of beef in it. And for some reason they put, I think, 1% beef in it. Anyways, all this will be too much of a filling, so I'm just gonna take some of each and we'll mix it up with some salt. I mean, you don't have to mix it like very well. You can just leave it like that, so you have like patches. That's kind of cool too. I want to mix mine a little bit more. So now I'm just spreading the filling on here. I like to do it with my hands. I just push it down. Not all the way to the edges. Well, here I can, this side. Yeah, it's breaking a little bit here. Also, honestly, my problem was the egg dough. This side got much thicker and this side got super thin. It's so hard for me to get the egg dough evenly. I don't know why. It's the sheets I'm using, or like, I don't know. But we will work with what we have. So now I'm gonna roll it up. So let's see. So. Okay. Okay, so my barbecue, also not mine, Lisa's barbecue is already preheated to almost 300. It was 300 because I'm already doing something else in here, so don't pay attention to this here. So that one here is on the highest, and here, do you see on the heating element, we have some wood chips. Apple wood chips, yes, for good flavor. So I'm just gonna put that on. I think I'm gonna put it on the heat, maybe a little bit to the side. Oh, yeah, it's of course gonna stick. Oh yeah, let's put this side on first because this is already dried out, shouldn't stick that much. Okay, so I'm gonna put it to the side. This here is on, those two are off, and here, that one, we're gonna turn on this heating element. So the wood chips will catch fire, and then when they catch fire and they have a nice fire, there's a nice fire, I turn this one off again. Oh, you can't see it, I'm sorry. This one here I will turn off. Oh yeah, look, nice fire. So I want to smoke this, so I'm gonna close that. So let's turn this off. Now I'm gonna close it, and I don't know how long yet, just gonna leave it in for a bit. So what I like to do here on the back, all this is actually open. You see, so I put this aluminum foil in here, just like I just stick it in a bit like that. So it just keeps the smoke in it much more. But every time I open it up, this will fall out again. So after about 10 minutes, I put the roll now here on this heating element, over this heating element that's on, because yeah, it's not it's only about at 300 or so, the grill, but this should work a bit better. And I put more wood chips on here, so we're gonna get more flavor here. Ooh, that looks good. I left it in for about 25 minutes. So I like it when the ground meat is still raw inside or rare. So of course you can leave it in much longer. Yeah, it is still raw inside, I would say. So I cut the piece off. Looks nice. Yeah, also really cool for guests to serve. Looks really nice. Okay, agüita. Oh. Super moist. And those different meats in there. I taste some lamb. I think I tasted some elk. Some beef. Yeah, it's cool. It's really cool. Also, I really like it. You see here on the edge,
it's all the way done, the ground beef, and in the middle not. So it also gives different texture. And I really like actually this side here. Look, like got almost a bit, a little bit crunchy. Yeah, like this part here. It's super good. Not hard to make. So yeah, keep in mind, if you make the egg dough in advance, like I did, store it well. It's a good idea to roll it up with the parchment paper, but mine dried out a little bit. Also, the thinner it is, the faster it dries out. So I should have put it in a Tupperware. Yeah. I stored egg dough many times, usually in a Tupperware, so there's no problem. That's but yeah, I actually like it, or do it the way I did, so you actually get a piece that gets dried out and it gets like nice and crispy. Actually, I'm not sad I did it this way, not at all. Servus! Well, I'm not gonna share mine, so I'm just gonna eat it this way. I feel like I have a wrap in my hand, you know, those wraps. So cool. Even more fun. By the way, also super delicious cold from the fridge. And then it's so much easier to cut like thinly. If you want like thin slices, ooh, you could make lots of thin slices and then put it very nicely and serve it like this. Ooh, also good for like apero, as a starter. Ooh, look how pretty. Ooh, and I got an idea. Here I still have some sauce from the goat thigh. Here or here, somewhere here is the link to that recipe. So here's that sauce. Ooh, and look at that. It's gonna be so, I actually wanna, sorry, it doesn't make sense to me. Somehow I wanna do it this way. Oh, look. Oh, so good, so pretty. Ooh, and of course, just got another idea. I mean, now it's cold from the fridge, right? So it's really compact, so it's easy to slice. So you can, those slices, you could also warm it up in the microwave, not so great, or in a pan, or in a Ninja Foodie, or put it back on the grill, fry it a little bit, fry it in some fat. Ooh, so many more great things I could do with that. Be creative.
Thanks for watching. If you try out this recipe, please tag me and let me know how you like it. Subscribe, share, like, comment, follow me on Instagram @carnivorgirl. See you next week in my next episode of Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants, no dairy, the next level cooking show.